Your brain is not broken, it's just hijacked. Every click, every scroll, every lustful image, rewiring your mind to crave instant pleasure instead of real purpose. You think you're choosing, but really, you're being controlled. Your energy, your focus, your masculinity, stolen by a screen. But here's the truth. You are not a slave to your urges. You can reprogram your brain. You can desexualize your mind and take back control. Every time you resist that urge, every time you say no to temptation, you strengthen your discipline. You build a sharper mind, a stronger will, a more powerful version of yourself. Redirect that energy. Don't waste it. Build with it. Train with it. Create with it. That's how men transform from weak to unstoppable. So if you want freedom, if you want real power, stop being a prisoner to lust. Desexualize your brain. Control your mind, and you control your life. You are stronger than your urges.